Hey guys, Yan Sikorski here again. Today I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next market session. But first of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro dollar. As I said yesterday, in euro dollar I expect some sort of pullback from 1.1250 until 1.1180, 1.1160. As you can see, price formed this pullback and this idea still worked. Pound USD, I said in pound USD, yesterday price was in important resistance level around 1.26. That's why I said it's a pretty good opportunity to take a short trade from this place, and the first target will be around 1.25. As you can see, price hit our first target in this case. Canadian dollar. In Canadian dollar, I expected what the price was an impulsive movement, formed impulsive breakout of this consolidation, but unfortunately price formed, as you can see here, impulsive breakout. But price not form entry points here because after impulsive breakout we have to wait when price form pullback and then a reversal model. Unfortunately, price not formed reversal model here. That's why I cannot say entry point was formed in this place. Anyway, this idea still work. I wanna say just price stay in consolidation. That's why just wait when price was an impulsive, break this consolidation and form entry points. Australian dollar, Aussie USD. Well, in this currency pair, as I said yesterday, my expectation was, let's look on a daily frame. As you can see on the daily frame, we have important resistance level around 0.69. As you can see, price formed false breakout of this important resistance level. And as I said yesterday, if price hold below this level like here, it will be good entry points, your stop loss here, your first target here. As you can see, this idea still works. That's why if you're in a position, just stay in your position and you will be fine. Another instrument is a gold. I said the important level around 1715. And as I said, if price break this support level with an impulse, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. As you can see, price hit my first target around 1,700. Oil. As I said yesterday, I expected what the price I expected some sort of pullback from 37.50 until 36. As you can see, price hit my first target, and I want to say this idea worked pretty perfectly. S&P 500. In S&P 500, I expected some sort of pullback yesterday. Unfortunately, price not from pullback from this level. I mean 3,100. But anyway, I'm still expect some sort of pullback. But right now, I expect this pullback after false breakout of this level. I mean, if price going back again into this level, and then going a little bit down and hold below 3,100 in S&P 500, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short trade, and your first target will be around 3060 in S&P 500. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. Let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, I expect I'm pretty bearish on euro dollar, honestly. I expect maybe from the current price a little bit pullback until 1.1220, and then from this place I expect the price falling down around 1.1150 or 1.1160 to this price zone. Pound USD. In the pound USD, I'm also pretty bearish in the pound USD, and I expect two scenarios. My first scenario is if price with an impulsive formed breakout of this important support level around 1.25 and then pullback, will be nice opportunity to take a short, and in this case your first target will be around 1.2420. This is the first scenario. The second scenario, a little bit pullback from the current price until 1.2550, then reversal model, and then in my point of view, it will be a good opportunity to take a short. In this case, your first target will be around 1.25 and second target will be around 1.2420. Canadian dollar. In Canadian dollar, the same idea like yesterday. I expect with the price with an impulsive formed breakout of these consolidations and pullback, reversal model will be my entry points. In this case, my first target will be around 1.3660. This is the first idea. This is the first scenario. The second scenario is a false breakout of this micro consolidation. I mean, if price form breakout and then going back again, it will be false breakout. And in this case, my first target will be around 1.3660 again. Aussie USD and Aussie USD also same idea. I expect with the price falling down from the current price, but honestly, it will be much better if you wait when the price hold below this level. I mean 68.90. If price hold below this level, it will be nice opportunity to take a short trade. In this case, your first target will be around 0.68. This is the first target, in 0.6720. This is the second target in this case. Another instrument is the gold. Right now I'm pretty bullish in gold. I expect a little bit pullback until 1,700. Honestly, the same idea will be work from the current price too. I'm pretty bullish, and I expect with the price going up until 1715 in a gold, because if we looking on a higher time frame like H4 time frame in this case, here we can see important support level, and also yesterday we saw false breakout of this important level. False breakout. This is very strong signal. Oil. Let's look on oil. Oil right now stay in an important consolidation. This consolidation above important resistance level around. Look, let me open daily frame. Yeah, this consolidation above important resistance level around $36 per contract. That's why it pretty depends on how price will react with this consolidation. I mean, if price, let me look, our time frame is too much better. Yeah, if price with an impulsive formed bullish breakout, then pull back, reversal model, it will be nice opportunity to take a long, and your first target will be refresh this high around 38.50. Also, second scenario will be if price with an bearish impulsive formed breakout, pull back, reversal model, it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, your first target will be around 34.50. Another instrument is S&P 500. Also the same idea like yesterday. I expect some sort of pullback in terms of this big up movement. But for entry points, I recommended you. Yeah, for entry points, I'll recommend you wait when price hold below 3,100 in S&P 500. Hold below, it will be entry points, and your first target in this case will be around 30.60 in this instrument. Well, guys, I believe this idea will be help you to make money on the next market session. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next videos. Bye.